Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app. Then click on the more icon. And here you've got timer. Smoothly click on it and now you have 3 seconds delay, 5 seconds delay, or now it's deactivated, so let's start with 3 seconds delay. As you can see, the picture will be taken after 3 seconds. Then you can pick 5 seconds delay. And at first you've got the countdown, afterwards the picture is taken. Then if you switch it off, you can go back to the default setup so you can take picture immediately after the click. So this is it, that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily activate and use camera timer on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.